Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jeff Anozie, and today we are in, guess where we are? Of course, we are in Owerri, Imo State, and this is Okigwe Road, just coming from Orji, coming from that Orji, that flyover, down towards FUTO Junction. This road is a bit rough. It's just a bit rough, but it's not rough for long. It's just this portion right here. So we're in Owerri today, and we're exploring the Owerri Portharcout Expressway, Obinze, Avu, FUTO Junction, all those places. There are a couple of estates we are here to inspect in Owerri, and you know that Owerri is moving. Plenty of Owerri is moving. That's building, humans, houses. They are moving from inside the town here, or what we used to know as town, towards that Portharcout road. That's where a lot of estates are coming up and a lot of buildings are coming up. So yeah, there's a new everyday supermarket right here. Can you see that? Owerri is really growing, growing. And this right here is FUTO Junction. There used to be a roundabout here, but like you can see, they've removed the roundabout and intensified traffic lights. To my right is Works, to my left is IMSU, that's Imo State University. So we've crossed over and we're heading down. We're heading down towards, we're actually on Okigwe Road. We're heading to wetheral Junction. Or Government House Junction. There's the Federal Government Girls College of Where to my right. There's also Government College, exactly. There's also Government College to my right. We are not going to stop, to actually pinpoint or exactly where those places are. We're just driving through. The traffic as well has increased a bit from my observation, and I think there's some work going on. The Imo State Internal Revenue. We're heading towards Government House Junction. So this road straight down, from Orji, this road through Orji down into Okigwe Road like this. We're heading to the new phase of development in Imo State Owerri. That's talking about Obinze, talking about all those places within that area. And that is actually where we are heading to today. We're heading to a couple of our estates, and I thought, hey, I should just bring you on this trip, get to see what Owerri looks like this period. All those heading towards Avu, we're heading towards Umokane, all those places. That's where a lot of us are now coming up within Owerri here. Umagwo, all those places, FUTO Junction. That is where we're heading toward. Yeah, so there are a couple of traffic lights now in Owerri from my observation. And that's a welcome development. Especially for the fact that it controls, traffic jam. I think it does control traffic jam, so that's a welcome development. That's Mbari Road. That road to my left leads to Ikenebu Aladimma Prefab. That road connects down to those sides. Maris Road. You can see this is Government House Roundabout. We're heading to Government House Roundabout at the moment. That is Rock View Hotel to my right. My right here leads you straight to Government House, and that's Rock View Hotel. Government House is down there. To the left there is Wetheral Road. Okay, there is this fountain here that is now gone bad. So this is Banks Road, still on Okigwe Road. This is where there's a couple of banks within this area. Again, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining us, my name is Jeff Anozie, and please, if you like this type of videos, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, so you get to see this type of videos from time to time. I'm basically just driving. We're heading towards FUTO Junction, towards Umuagwo, Obinze, that side. We're heading that side because we're actually in Owerri to inspect some estates for our clients, and of course I'll be sharing them with you as well in this channel. So this is that ICC, that International Conference Center. Hopefully the current government will do something about it. But yeah, there's a lot of traffic in Owerri today. But thankfully it's moving, and like I said, the traffic light helps. So this is Warehouse Junction. To the right, to the left is Freedom Square. To the right leads to Amakon here, leads to Alvanikoko, leads to Amakon here, Akwakuma to the right. So but we're heading straight as well. We're heading straight down towards Assumpta roundabout control. Like I said, it was just me and we're in Owerri and we're just heading to inspect some estates, and we thought to just bring you along on the ride. Okay, again, please like this video and subscribe to this channel so you get to see more of this type of videos. If there are places in Owerri you like to see, we are going to create some time and go to those areas to make the videos. This is Holy Ghost College in Owerri to the right. For those that attended Holy Ghost, that is the school to the right there. And then right in front of us, that roundabout is Control Junction. So to the left there is Assumpta Cathedral. This is Control Junction. So that is Assumpta Cathedral, one of the biggest Catholic churches here in Owerri. To my right here is Onitsha Road. This road to the right leads straight to Onitsha, Ihiala. Then this other road veering off there is to World Bank. That other road is to World Bank, but we're heading towards Portharcout Road. That's Assumpta there. This is Control Roundabout. We're heading to Portharcout Road. Okay, so at this point, I will just allow you to enjoy the view whilst we go along this road. I don't know if you've observed, but if you can see, you see that Owerri is moving towards this axis. Yes, because a lot of developments around this area, a lot of course, because there's large expanse of land, so development companies can actually come and buy land in bulk. I urge you to take the time out, if you're in Owerri or you're going to come back during the festive period, to come towards this area, this Portharcout Road, Obinze, from Obinze Junction, from FUTO Junction, Obinze Avenue, within this area, and take a look around, see what is happening, see the type of development that is happening within this area. And the beautiful thing is that the land is 100% dry, very, very, very accessible, and there are a lot of not very expensive properties right now within this area. Okay, you can actually get a plot of land from between, depending on how close to the road, between 1.5 million naira to 2.5 million naira, some 3 million of course, but within that range. All right, and I'm very sure that after a period of time, once development has started increasing, that will not remain the same. That price will not remain the same. Okay, so if you're around for the festive period, I urge you to just drive down to Owerri or drive down to this area. Of course, we are available also to bring you for inspections or to come and show you the level of development and the level of activities within this area, and show you how much of development is moving towards this area. Okay, a couple of years ago, I remember whilst I was in school, I schooled in FUTO Owerri. This place didn't used to be as busy as this. I'm talking about from between 2006 to around 2011, within that range. It wasn't this busy. Right now, look at how busy this environment is. You know, that's how real estate is. That's how real estate is. And who we think that Owerri Portharcout road will be this busy. So we're just driving towards Obinze, towards Avo, to a couple of our estates within this environment, and I thought to just bring you along. I'm Anozie. I'm a real estate consultant, and my goal is to bring you safe and profitable real estate deals within the Southeast Nigeria. And we're in Owerri today to explore some amazing estates, and I thought to just bring you along. This area is Avo. To the left there is the proposed site for the FUTO Medical College of Medicine, FUTO, and also a couple of estates. That's the fence there to the left. It's a massive project, and you know, the downside of this project is a lot of people lost their lands here, except for those that bought through a real estate company. You can see the FUTO College of Medicine and Housing Estate, right? See, FUTO College of Medicine and Housing Estate. It's a big expanse of land, and they're fencing the whole place. A while ago, a lot of people bought land here, but of course they bought from either individuals or from family. Because now the land has the place has been revoked. Of course, those people may not have known, all right, that this place was a government acquired environment, right? A government acquired land. They may not have known, could innocently have sold it to them. This is Obinze. We just enter Obinze town. But if you buy from a real estate company, if this type of thing happens, the real estate company can relocate you to another estate of theirs, so you don't lose completely. You may not get the exact place where you bought, but you still get a property anyways. All right, so that is why I encourage you to always buy from a real estate company, a reputable real estate company. And of course, we try to make sure that we do our research before presenting you with any real estate company at all. And that's part of why we're in Owerri, to do some research and background and due diligence on the owners of the estate, on the estate company, on the property as well. And we have done some research, and we've come up with some great properties, which we're going to be showing you in a moment. So we're about approaching FUTO Junction in Obinze, and if you observe, it feels as if the town, Owerri town, and Obinze have met. They have blended in together. You can barely see scanty places right now. You can barely see scanty places. That's because development is reaching here. So this is FUTO Junction, the Federal University of Technology, Owerri Junction. I'm an alumni of this precious school. So to the left is FUTO, then FUTO, Nekede, and the rest. But we're turning right. We're actually turning right. We're heading to an estate at Umukane Road, you know, right here in Owerri. We have Rosewood Estates there at Umukane. We have Okigwe City Estate at Avo, and a couple of other estates. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. We'll bring you this type of videos from time to time, of course, and then we'll be showing you a couple of estates within Owerri. If you're interested in Owerri, please reach out, discuss your budget, and bring you estates and properties that rhyme with your budget, and something that can serve you and serve your need right here in Owerri, Imo State. Thank you so much. Enjoy a fantastic day, and bye for now.